Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So today I actually have some good news for you guys, all you customers, current customers or new customers that want to add lines. This is a good deal for you. Like I said, there's no port in required or anything for this. You just have to add a line. So you have to have already a Boost Mobile account. So either you can port your number into Boost Mobile, or let's say you already have an account with us, you can just add a line. And it doesn't have to be a porting. You can just be adding your son or daughter or wife or whoever who doesn't have service. So pretty cool deal. Like I said, sorry if I still sound a little robotic. I should be knocking this cold out pretty soon, probably by tomorrow, hopefully. If not by Wednesday, definitely, or Thursday. But it says great phones, better price. So in today's video, brought to you by Boost Mobile, says limited time offer when you add a line. Now here's a poster that I managed to get. So it says you can get the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, which I actually did an unboxing review of this phone. It's actually a really good phone for the price. The phone retails for $129.99, or the suggested retail price. But of course, you know it's a little bit cheaper. But right now, if you if you add a line, you can get it for $10, guys. $10 is well worth it for this phone. Samsung's very good phone. Like I said, I'm gonna put where you can see the review and unboxing this phone description below this video, so you can check it out. But $10, guys. Yeah, that's just if you add a line. Now you do have to get on the unlimited plan, the 50. But remember, when you add a line or make a family plan, it's only $30 if you're on the $50 unlimited plan. It says that there you go, no port required. Select plans only. So like I said, it's gonna be the limited plan, but it's only gonna cost you $30 for the plan instead of $50. The second phone is the Moto G6 Play, another good phone. I did same thing, unboxing review on this phone. Same thing, suggested retail price, at least what Boost is saying, is $129.99 or $130. But this one, because I guess it's a little bit bigger screen, it's Motorola, has a little bit more stuff to offer, bigger battery, it's only $20. That's still a good deal. So you can get basically this phone for $50, the 20 plus the 30, or yeah, the 20 plus the 30, and then the Samsung J3 Achieve for $40, which is a $30 for the plan plus a $10 for the phone, plus taxes and activation fee, whatever Boost Mobile is going to charge you. I think it's $25. So it's still not a bad deal. $10 for a phone, a smartphone at that. It's a good deal, and it's not like a little cheapo phone that they're giving you. So if you like Samsung, go with the Samsung J3 Achieve, or if you like the Motorola, go with Moto G6 Play. Very good phones. Very cool, guys. Let me know in the description below what you guys think, or the comments below actually, what you think about this. Is it worth getting? Do you like these phones? Like I said, personally, I like the Achieve just because of the small form factor of it. You can carry it with you anywhere. Pretty decent battery life and everything. And then the Moto G6 Play, it's a bigger screen, so I like watching videos on that one as well. And a little bit bigger battery. So like I said, please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Let me know. I will be getting the new phone that's coming out for Boost Mobile pretty soon, so I'll have more videos on that pretty soon. So new unboxing coming soon for you guys, and maybe some possible giveaways. So like I said, stay tuned. This is Dragonic Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Please share it, all that good stuff. If you want to check out my #1 supporter that helps me with a lot of these videos is NetBuddy. So that is netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Let's say put that in checkout and you will save $5. Just good for streaming, binge watching, gaming even. So yeah, check that out. Like I said, all in the description below. So thank you, guys.